Good afternoon. My name is Tim Lewis, and I have a statement on behalf of Dr. Graham Spanier. Today's presentment is the latest desperate act by Governor Tom Corbett to cover up and divert attention away from the fact that he failed to warn the Penn State community about the suspicions surrounding Jerry Sandusky, and instead knowingly allowed a child predator to roam free in Pennsylvania. Its timing speaks volumes. These charges are the work of a vindictive and politically motivated governor working through an unelected Attorney General, Linda Kelly, whom he appointed to do his bidding, and will be a lame duck 5 days from now. There is no factual basis to support these charges, which may explain why the Attorney General and her staff have steadfastly refused for a full year to meet with Dr. Spanier or his lawyers to discuss this matter, despite repeated attempts to do so, or to accept Dr. Spanier's offer to appear before the grand jury again to clarify any misconceptions. From late 2008 through November of 2011, as Pennsylvania's Attorney General, Tom Corbett clearly knew about the allegations against Jerry Sandusky, and yet failed to act. And this failure allowed Sandusky to continue to harm children for nearly 3 years after he could have been, should have been, warned, stopped, or indicted. The governor's legally indefensible explanations, repeated by Attorney General Kelly at her news conference today, that he couldn't expose Sandusky for fear of compromising an ongoing grand jury investigation, or that he needed more evidence, are patently absurd. And so, on the one hand, Corbett had access to detailed information about the allegations concerning Sandusky's child abuse, and as the chief law enforcement officer of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, allowed it to continue. On the other, Dr. Spanier was not privy to any details about a 1998 investigation that actually exonerated Sandusky, and then in 2001 was told only about an incident characterized as horseplay. Now, Governor Corbett has made no secret of his personal hostility toward Dr. Spanier, as many witnesses will attest. And he is now manipulating public officials and public resources to settle a personal score. Linda Kelly's willingness to continue this farce on behalf of the politically motivated governor who appointed her apparently knows no bounds. She has already been put on notice by both candidates for Attorney General, one of whom will replace her, that they intend to review her investigation thoroughly. For her to deny, as she did just a few moments ago, that politics played no role in these charges being made 5 days before the election, is patently false. Graham Spanier has committed no crime, and he looks forward to the opportunity to clear his good name and well-earned national reputation for integrity. This indictment, this presentment, is a politically motivated frame-up of an innocent man. And if these charges ever come to trial, we will prove it. The people of this Commonwealth and the next Attorney General should be outraged by this blatantly political, transparently vindictive, last-minute act of cowardice and desperation. Thank you.